Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Tool Deals. Today is Saturday, June 13th. So, today I've got two amazing tool deals, and one of them and a third one is a bonus deal. Okay, I'm gonna explain a little bit about it a little bit later. Okay, so the first deal is a Husky 50-foot long extension cord. So, besides being fairly long, this one is a 12 gauge cord, which means that you're going to be able to run most of your tools. Most of the shorter extension cord, they may require to be maybe like a 15 gauge cord or something. But when you're using a 50-foot long extension cord, it might need more. It may need a lower gauge. If you look at the cable, it makes it thicker. Okay, so the nice thing about this cord is that besides being fairly thick, this one has an LED light, so it tells you when it's plugged in, which makes it really useful to see. I mean, if you're like 50 feet away, you know that it's already plugged in and ready to be used. Okay, so just as an advice, don't run like really powerful tools, through this cord at the same time. You can still use these three prongs, but don't use all three of them with high voltage tools at the same time. Okay, so that's the first thing, and this one is $20. So as you can see, there is no like sale price, but trust me, it is on sale. These ones, they run, I think it's like between $50 and $60. So if we go to Amazon and check the prices, you can see that they are like around $50 for pretty much the same extension cord. But at the same time, you need to pay attention that they don't have three prongs. This one does. Okay, and I'm not sure if any of these ones have the LED lights. Okay, so they are kind of expensive. They are around $50 most of the time. And this one is $20. So it's perfect, especially since summer is coming. You might be building something outside, or you might need it to plug in like certain tools. It's super useful to have this 50 foot long extension cord. Okay, so this is the first deal. So now let's go to the second deal. But before we go there, just remember that I always put the links to these deals in the description, and also feel free to share these links with your friends through text message, Facebook, or whatever. They're gonna thank you. Okay, so now let's go to the next deal. This one is a Ryobi misting fan, which what it does, it works kind of like an air conditioning. Okay, so what it does, it's a fan, it's a regular fan, but it has these nozzles there, and they spray like a mist of water, and that makes it so that it cools you off. Okay, this tool, again, the same thing. It doesn't seem to be on sale, but it is on sale. The regular price is $129. They always have it at that price, and it comes with 1.5 amp hour battery there, and also a really small charger. Okay, the features that this one has is it makes it really nice. I'm going to show you here. I'm going to open the pictures, and it has two different speeds for the fan. You can run the fan on its own if you want to, or you can run it with a mister. Okay, so it has two different speeds for the fan, and also two different speeds for the pump, which means like you can throw less water or more water. Well, I mean, not throw water, but spray mist of water. Okay, so it has two different settings. So in total, you can set it at 4 different settings, mixing these two buttons. Okay, so I'm going to show you some pictures so you can see like how they use it. So you can use it something like that. I mean, this is just like for recreation purposes, but you can use it with a bucket, with a bucket of water. And the base, it makes it really convenient to set on a 5-gallon bucket. It doesn't have to be from Home Depot. You can just grab any 5-gallon bucket, and you can just set it on top. It will fit right on. And Also, if you don't want to use it with a bucket, you can connect it directly to a hose, as you can see here. So it connects to just like a regular garden hose. So this item, it seems to be really popular. Everyone who gets it, the reviews have been like really good. And also, just so you know, the battery, this one, the 1.5 amp hour battery, it lasts 3.5 hours. So it's super convenient to just carry it anywhere if you want to go with a bucket and just use it anywhere. You know, you've got 3.5 hours of runtime. And if you got a bigger battery, you can use it for even longer. So that makes it super, super convenient. So now let's go to the next deal. This is going to be a bonus deal. And before we go there, just remember to subscribe to this channel, because every day I'm uploading new deals. And if you subscribe with a little bell, you're going to receive a notification as soon as I upload a new deal. Okay, so this deal, I'm going to show you here. I'm just going to be testing this type of deals. This is called a bonus deal. It's not a tool deal, but still it's a deal. And I want you guys to let me know if you like this type of bonus deals, and if you want me to keep uploading them, okay? And this one, it's an Echo Dot. If you don't know them, they are like the little kind of speakers that you can use to talk to Alexa, and it's just like Siri pretty much, or Google Assistant, okay? So this one, you need to sign in to see the deal. So that's what I'm gonna do. So once you sign in, you're gonna see this page. This page is where it tells you what you're gonna get. So what you're gonna get, you're gonna pay $8.98, it says here. You're going to pay that, and you're going to get 1 month of Amazon Music. And also, you're going to get this Echo Dot. It's the 3rd generation. And what you can do that very same day, so that you don't forget, you can cancel Amazon Music the very same day. Right after you subscribe, you can cancel Amazon Music, and then you don't have to remember when to cancel that membership. So for $8.98, you're going to get 1 month of Amazon Music and this Echo Dot. The Echo Dot, just so you know, the price, the regular price, I'm going to show you here. So here is the Echo Dot. It's exactly the same one that you would get with a deal. The price is $50. Okay, so with the deal that I was showing you, you can get this little device and also the Amazon Music for 1 month, and you can get it for less than $10. Okay, so this is the deal. I hope that you guys liked it, all 3 of them. And if you guys have any recommendations or any tips or anything like that, just let me know in the comments. And also, please give this video a like so you can help me grow this channel even faster. Okay, thank you guys. See you tomorrow.